Hi, grade 6. It's our last day before holidays. We did it. Remember, today is a half day, so you can finish your schoolwork at noon. I'm just going to go to our announcements. So, announcements today, daily tasks. Yes, there are still daily tasks. It's still a half day of school. Half day today, holiday break starts at noon. Grades 4, 5, 6 meet at 9 a.m. Grade 6 meet today at 9:15 to 10 with Megan. Today's special Christmas meet, or not Christmas, but just a special get together holiday last day of school before break meet. So, reminders, we are back to school on January 4th, 2021, new year. And your assignments that are not finished for Miss Kish yet will need to be finished over the break. So, some of you do have homework over the Christmas holidays because you do have stuff to finish. Remember, Miss Kish does put them in. If you go to classwork, under any classroom, there will be a section called incomplete assignments. Go to the incomplete assignments. If you don't see any work listed for you, great, you have everything handed in. If you go to the class page that says incomplete assignments and there are things listed for you, you need to complete them over the break. Miss Kish will be adding them there today. So science, I'll be adding them today. So you may not see them right away in the morning, but I would be checking them today to make sure you don't have any assignments. And the tasks for today, though, today you have a detective notebook to finish for Miss Kish. Yes, your detective notebook. I just want to show you, I do expect everything. Miss Kish linked it. You need to fill out all the sections of your detective notebook and turn it in to me. This is part of being a detective, is you get all this evidence and all this information and you have to make an inference. So remember, an inference is kind of a guess based on the information you have and know. You will have to do the inferencing part in your notebook on the top side here, where it says who, what, where, when, why. So remember, why would be the motive. So look at the motives. So on these slides, this is the part now that you need to fill out and make inferences about. What, who, where, why, when, and how. You get to make those inferences based on the information you were given throughout this entire unit about the cookie theft. So rewatch the news videos if you have to, reread the news paper heading that came out, look through all the evidence again to make those assumptions. All the clues will be right. Like you need to go through the clues, and there is specific ones for each one. So that is science today. Social, it's an Athens Kahoot challenge. So this is a Kahoot that you just need to go through. Miss Kish isn't running it. It is an assignment that you need to go through on your own. Please put your real name so Miss Kish can see the results and how you did on this challenge. So it is about Athens. You can use any of the slides and notes we have on our classroom to help you answer questions, but this is a challenge Kahoot for you, grade 6. You do it independently, must be your real name. Just click here and it'll take you right to the thing, to the Kahoot. Literacy today is a little different. It's a different, I really wanted to start because we start sky science when we get back, which is space. And I really wanted to start our brains thinking about that. So I thought today would be fun to actually just read a little article about space just to get our brains starting to think about that for when we come back. And we're going to be using more Common Lit, especially in our space unit. So this is also a great way to start getting introduced to Common Lit. So you will click here, Common Link, login, and you read the article that's given to you. When you log into Common Lit, remember anything Miss Kish assigns for you, you use your Google account to sign in. Because I upload our classroom to it, you already have an account through here. So all you have to do is use your Google account to log in. I also provided a login instruction sheet just in case, and then your parents can help you too. And Miss Kish can help you. So you'll read it. It's called Learning About the Solar System. Read the article, and within the article, there will be questions for you. As you read through, there'll be spots that it'll ask you a question and you need to answer them. Look at the questions, do the assessment questions, and that's